Hi everyone, it's me Zarina, your friend from Malaysia. Apa kabar? The second most important phrase after greetings, in my opinion, is saying thank you. What do you think? I think it is agreed worldwide that saying thank you when you feel grateful will have a significant impact in your interpersonal relationship. If you are in Malaysia, you will probably receive a surprise remark or even a smile from the local people in Malaysia when you try to pronounce this greeting in your possible best effort. In Malay, thank you is terima kasih. Terima kasih. There are two words in this phrase where terima is actually a verb, which means to receive in English, and kasih is a noun which means love or affection. In other words, terima kasih can simply mean receive my love or affection. How warm can one phrase means, right? Regardless of how thick or how heavy your accent is, you should try to use this greeting, terima kasih. Even if you forget your greetings, when you wish terima kasih earnestly, it will be a worthwhile effort. Who knows your luck? You could probably receive a few discounts here and there when buying your souvenirs in Malaysia, or even be given extra kueh or cookies from the stall where you buy them. Let's practice saying terima kasih a few times, shall we? I will say it first and then it's your turn during a few silent seconds, okay? Let's start. Terima kasih. 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 Variations of saying thank you in Malay language. As a reminder, the lessons that I prepare in this vlog is for speaking colloquially to the natives. Hence, I will prepare some other phrases of saying thank you in our culture. Terima kasih banyak. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Terima kasih tak terhingga. Terima kasih ya. Terima kasihlah. Thank you Thank you. And the list goes on. The first three means thank you very much. But the second and the third is like million gazillion thanks. While the first is when you feel the need to emphasize you're thanking the other person, the rest is when you feel so indebted and you think that it is impossible for you to repay their deeds. The fourth and fifth are suffixed and normally used when you are very familiar with that person. You will understand all this much easier with conversation examples. The sixth and seventh are English words but suffixed and normally used by Malaysian Chinese, or in fact those who are used to this greeting. The last one is English but said in repetition. Conversation 1. Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Kabar baik. Ini untuk kamu. Terima kasih. Conversation 2. Selamat pagi. Apa kabar? Selamat pagi. Kabar baik. Ini 5,000 yang awak hendak pinjam. Terima kasih banyak-banyak. Terima kasih sangat-sangat. Terima kasih tak terhingga. Conversation 3. Selamat pagi, Kak. Akak dah bungkus nasi kamu. Nah, terima kasih ya, Kak. Conversation 4. Kau tertinggal beg kat atas meja tadi. Nah, terima kasihlah. Nasib kau yang jumpa. Kalau tak habislah. Conversation 5. Mr. Tan, you bawa dokumen ni ke kaunter 5 dan serah kat pegawai tu. Okay, thank you. Thank you. What differentiates them from only terima kasih? Terima kasih is the general thank as per the norm, but terima kasih banyak or terima kasih sangat-sangat or terima kasih tak terhingga is like the higher level of terima kasih. Got it? We don't really have different words used for older people or respected people like in Korean language. However, you can be more polite by using the first three variations of terima kasih. Depending on your intonation, it could be a mocking statement as well, so please be careful and mean it when you use them. How to pronounce banyak and sangat? Generally, it is pretty hard to pronounce the ny and ng part in both words. However, it is not impossible. Banyak is similar to ny in Kenya. Sangat is similar to ng in hanger. The easiest way is to get someone native to the language to assist you. If you are interested, you may contact me on Preply for an hour lesson to practice speaking Malay and to improve your pronunciation. Well, today's lesson ends here. I hope that this lesson helps. Sampai jumpa lagi.